You ever sit back and realize how much time has already passed in your life and wonder if maybe you missed your chance? Like maybe you should have started earlier, or maybe it's too late to change, to grow, to do something new. That thought can be heavy, but let me tell you, it's never too late to grow and improve yourself. I want to talk to you about this because I've been there too. I felt like the clock had run out on me, like I had already wasted too much time or made too many mistakes. But here's the truth, as long as you're still breathing, there's still time. The purpose of this moment right here is to remind you that no matter where you're at in life, growth is always possible. The challenge is that so many of us believe that growth has an expiration date. We think if we didn't go to school at a certain age, we can't go back. If we didn't start the business young, we missed our shot. If we've messed up in the past, we can't rebuild. And what happens is we start to accept comfort zones that actually limit us. We let fear, regret, and old habits box us in, and we tell ourselves this is just the way life is now. That mindset is what really holds people back. But if you look closer, life is full of stories of people who bloom later, people who didn't start until their 40s, 50s, even 60s, and they built something beautiful. And it doesn't have to be something huge like starting a business or writing a book. Sometimes growth looks like taking your health seriously for the first time, or finally setting boundaries, or learning to forgive yourself. Growth can be personal, spiritual, physical, or emotional. The point is, growth has no deadline, and every time you take a step forward, no matter how small, you prove to yourself that you're not stuck, you're capable. The big moment, the truth I really want to land with you is this: the only thing standing in the way of your growth is the belief that it's too late. Once you let go, once you decide that today, yes, today, you can start again, you open up a new future. That moment of decision is powerful. It's not about looking at how far you have to go. It's about choosing to move forward right now. Growth doesn't come in giant leaps. It comes in steady, faithful steps, and each step adds up. So if you've been doubting yourself or feeling like the window is closed, hear me clearly. It's never too late. You can start over, rebuild, or reinvent. You can chase dreams that still live inside of you. You can grow into a stronger, wiser, more fulfilled version of yourself starting today. I want you to remember this as you go about your day. Life isn't done with you yet, and you shouldn't be done with yourself either. If this message hit home, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more encouragement like this. I've got plenty more conversations just like this one, and I'd love for you to be a part of them. And before you go, I want to encourage you to not just keep this to yourself. Check out more of my videos here on this channel and share them with a friend or family member who needs that reminder too. You never know how much it might mean to them. Thanks for spending this time with me here. Your growth matters. I'll see you in the next video.